how to add a rectangle shape in Adobe Premiere Pro video. So here on the timeline, you want to go to a time where you want to insert or add the rectangle shape. On the left hand side here, you want to click on the pen tool and select rectangle tool, then draw on your video timeline. Now on the left hand side here, you can expand out the shape and you can choose a different color fill. Then click on OK. You can choose to add stroke or remove it. And other things that you can do, you can perform transform and so on. Another way to do it is to go to graphics and then click on add new layer. So we're just going to go here, deselect that, graphic, new layer, and then choose a rectangle. So here we choose a rectangle. You can move it, make it larger or smaller. So that is another way how you can do it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.